Best Sport Compact Cars for 2024, 2023 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing. In the realm of sport compact cars, the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing stands out as a formidable contender, blending high-performance capabilities with luxurious comfort and cutting-edge technology. As Cadillac's flagship sports sedan, the CT5-V Blackwing represents the pinnacle of the brand's engineering prowess, delivering exhilarating performance and refined luxury in equal measure. Powering the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing is a hand-built 6.2-liter supercharged V8 engine, producing an awe-inspiring 668 horsepower and 659 lb-ft of torque. This potent power plant is paired with a 6-speed manual transmission, providing enthusiasts with the ultimate driving experience and a direct connection to the road. With its impressive power output and lightning-fast acceleration, the CT5-V Blackwing offers a level of performance that rivals some of the most renowned sports cars on the market. But the CT5-V Blackwing isn't just about brute force, it's also engineered to deliver exceptional handling and agility. Cadillac's engineers have meticulously tuned the CT5-V Blackwing's suspension, chassis, and aerodynamics to provide precise and responsive handling, allowing drivers to confidently tackle corners and curves with ease. Whether navigating city streets or attacking the racetrack, the CT5-V Blackwing offers a level of performance and control that is sure to impress even the most discerning enthusiasts. In terms of design, the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing exudes a sense of refinement and sophistication. Its sleek and aerodynamic exterior, accentuated by bold lines, aggressive front grille, and distinctive LED headlights, commands attention and makes a bold statement on the road. The CT5-V Blackwing's upscale aesthetic is further enhanced by premium features such as 19-inch alloy wheels, quad exhaust tips, and a rear spoiler, which add a touch of sportiness to its appearance. Inside the cabin, the CT5-V Blackwing offers a luxurious and tech-forward environment that is designed to indulge the senses and enhance the driving experience. Premium materials such as leather upholstery, carbon fiber trim, and aluminum accents create a refined ambience, while advanced features like Cadillac's user experience infotainment system, Bose premium audio, and wireless smartphone charging provide connectivity and entertainment at your fingertips. Furthermore, the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing is equipped with a comprehensive suite of safety and driver assistance features, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control, ensuring both peace of mind and enhanced driving confidence. In conclusion, the 2023 Cadillac CT5-V Blackwing represents the epitome of performance and luxury in the sport compact car segment. With its potent powertrain, agile handling, and upscale amenities, the CT5-V Blackwing sets a new standard for excellence and reaffirms Cadillac's commitment to delivering exceptional driving experiences. Whether cruising along the highway or pushing the limits on the track, the CT5-V Blackwing promises an exhilarating and unforgettable journey for drivers and passengers alike.